It's the great death bowler Malinga against the great finisher Dhoni. And at the moment, the death bowler's winning from both ends. This is the contest we've been waiting for.
It's great stuff from the Sri Lankans. See how good this is. Full and wide. Even the best in the world can't get there.
Look at that death bowling. Wide Yorkers, Kulasekara and Malinga. What's Dhoni going to do? Shuffle across his stumps? No, that will be a wide.
It's amazing in this game. Even if you get to know what they're trying to do, sometimes you still can't get away. That's the area to bowl to Mahendra Singh Dhoni in the death. Anything close to him, that big heavy bat comes down. Last 19 deliveries, just 13 for India. That's how good the Sri Lankans have been.
And you get that helicopter shot. Away, in any direction. No, he can't. Oh, gets through Sangakkara. Skids low. Kohli desperate to get back on strike. Kohli doesn't get back on strike. Bye is given. Well, I said it was a contest between one of the greatest death bowlers ever and one of the greatest finishers ever. And at the moment, Malinga's winning.
Top class stuff. Virat Kohli has been off strike for a long, long time. Yuvraj Singh took the strike of him, and now the skipper MS Dhoni. 1 from 4 for the captain of India.
Yeah, he's only faced 7 deliveries in the last 4 overs. The man of the tournament, the batsman of the tournament, with 7 deliveries, Kohli, in the last 4 overs. No, he can't get the helicopter shot away.
Pressure telling on India. He hasn't had much hit in the tournament, and it's showing under pressure. A big heave when he's informed that goes to the stands.
Never seen the Iceman flustered. Never seen Dhoni flustered until now. He's been waiting to bat, and now he's gone out there and they bowled brilliantly at him. Still 3 deliveries for him to do some damage. Brilliant, Malinga. Brilliant. They'll come back for 2. But this is outstanding death bowling.
Virat Kohli still off strike. I completely agree. This is outstanding death bowling. It's 5 runs from this over. And that too, a leg by. Skipper pulled India back. They never let them off the hook in this final. And they've kept the pressure on India. 2 more deliveries. Can Dhoni find the fence?
You just know what's coming, but you can't do anything about it. And about half an hour later, Kohli gets on strike. I mean, in the 16th over, he must have been in the 70s. And if someone had said to him, well, you'll be in there with 1 ball to go and you'll only be 76, he would have laughed at you.
Well, they're all stunned. Rohit Sharma. You got to give credit to the Sri Lankans. The way they have come back, the way they have bowled, each and every one of them. This last World T20. 1 more delivery to go.
Outstanding, Lasith Malinga. They will try and come back for 2. They do come back for 2. Direct hit, they'll go upstairs. Wouldn't that be a fitting ending, that, if that is a run out to some brilliant cricket from Sri Lanka in the last 5 overs. I said in the last game, you can often judge how India have done by the body language of Virat Kohli. His body language of a side that haven't quite got enough.
He's gone this time. Well, it's been his day. They've missed the stumps a few times. big screen will show Virat Kohli out. 19 runs have come in the last 4 overs. MS Dhoni putting a pat on Virat Kohli's back. India finished with 130 for 4. They finished the Champions Trophy at 120 and they still won it. Can they do it again?